What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Skinny Pedal Motorsports. I'm about to tell my age right here, but I'm in my early 30s, and I grew up in a time in the early 2000s when this right here was cool, Underglow. And, you know, it kind of faded out, but I heard it's making a comeback, so we're fixing to put one on the car. It's going to be a little bit of a comprehensive review on how well this $50 kit from Amazon works on a G-body. And yeah, we're just gonna get into installing this thing. It's pretty cool. Show you what's in the box. You get this box. It's a Govee brand. Comes obviously with the user manual, some switches, and then some install brackets, zip ties, because every race car has these. And yeah, just basically brackets or lights that go down each side, control box, and it also has an app on it. Well, not an app, but Bluetooth connectivity, so you can connect your phone to it. I think that's freaking awesome. So yeah, I'm gonna get to installing these. It's really super simple install. We'll see how they go on here. So it comes with this little box. Obviously, it's pretty simple, honestly. Just well, where my cable is, 12 volt and ground, and it's got a little switch that you press on. So I'm just gonna get this wired up and get them mounted. I'm going to mount them where they go, and yeah, we'll get it ready to go. Well, we did have some lights on there. We had some problems with those lights. They didn't work all the way. I got checking them under the car, so I sent them back, and I'm gonna make this install a little bit easier. I'm gonna get up on the lift of my buddy's shop. Got a sweet Mustang over there. Mustang here too. Not really sure what that car is. Maybe Imperial or something like that. I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna throw this thing up on the lift. Well, all of the LEDs or whatever you want to call them, underglows, they're all in place, ready to go. Just gotta drop it back down, finish up the wiring, and we'll be good to go. So you really can't see the underglow from here, so I like that. Obviously, we gotta go home, finish wiring it up, put the power to it, and then we'll get some night rollers and we'll see what it looks like. Well, it's all plugged in. We've got a bunch of different modes. It's pretty cool. But yeah, we're gonna go get some night shots in a good dark parking lot right quick. Thought I would describe how this thing works. It's Bluetooth controlled. It's actually pretty cool. Check it out. Like, I go to like 40 different scenes. Like, check it out. Pretty cool. It changes. My screen's a little bright, but like, you can change it to romantic, you know, for your lady, whatever you need to do. A little twinkle. All kinds of crazy things. This thing has like 16 million combinations, but it works pretty freaking good. Check it out. I'm excited. That Underglow is back, baby. Underglow is back. So what I mainly got this for is I want some cool shots on Rocky Mountain Race Week at nighttime with freaking two-step going out the exhaust, and then this like multicolored whatever it is. I just think it's cool. And honestly, I grew up in the 2000s era and Underglow was cool, so I'm here for it. But yeah, easy install, Amazon, $50 kit. I mean, wired in, super simple. Oh, and well, can you see me? Let's see. Got a little bit of a surprise coming in the next video. We're definitely swapping the car up this year. You'll just have to stay tuned for that, though. Not in this video. Thanks for watching. If you've been watching for a while, you know the message. If you ain't on the break, you better be on Skinny Pedal, son.
We out of here.